Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of AustinMy_238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Good morning, guys. So today it is the Apple event. So perhaps to do some kind of a montage. So I don't want to end up getting a strike because we know Quentin Stick got a strike when he co-streams on Twitch last year. So maybe I have to do a montage. So I don't want to end up getting a copyright strike on YouTube. So anyway, I'm excited for the Apple event. But first, I'm having pumpkin waffles for breakfast. Nice from Trader Joe's. Look at that. So yeah. So last night I just updated to iOS 14.8 before the release of iOS 15. So girlfriend, I got this phone done, and now I'm updating the iPad's version 14.8 as well. So yeah, I'm getting this updated before the event today. So gotta make sure my iPad gets updated, and then I gotta watch the Apple event. So anyway, got my Apple Watch Series 6 on. This is last year's model. This one I got it. My aunt just got it from me from the Apple website. Look at that, blue with plums for you. So I believe they're gonna be updating the Apple Watch today. I believe. So yeah, but if it's the same model, then I'm just sticking with the Series 6. But if it's brand new, then I'm going with a brand new one. So yeah, but anyway, I'm excited for the Apple event. Check it out, guys. About to watch the Apple event. Wish me luck, guys. New iPad. New iPad. What in the world is that? Why in the world is that? Newer iPad mini. No way, what is that? What the heck? This is Series 7. Oh, man. wow. What is, oh god. Come on, man. The new iPhone?
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done.
Okay, that must be the iPhone 13 Pro. Look at that, man. I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Alright guys, so I just got done watching the Apple event. So yeah, I can't believe it. They just updated the iPads, putting this iPad and iPad mini. I mean, this is so cool. And then also they just updated the Apple Watch Series 7, which is coming later this fall. Of course, I'm still working out the 6. And also they just revealed iPhone 11. Oh, I'm sorry, not iPhone 11, but iPhone 13. iPhone 13 with different design, and also iPhone 13 Pro. I mean, this is so cool. So can't wait for the upgrade. I just really wanted an upgrade so bad. I haven't had this upgrade for like 4 years since I have a 10, but I need an upgrade so bad here. So yeah, but anyway, I think that's it for this event. So right now we have to get on with the everyday life. I think we're under a severe thunderstorm watch until 11 p.m. for all portions of South Central and I think it's like Southwest Kansas. So I don't know what's going on, but it's still it is cloudy. So I believe we're gonna get some bad weather tonight. I don't know what's going on here. This is not good. This is not good. So I just turned the Apple TV on just in case if something bad happens. So yeah, I just turned the Apple TV on because of the bad weather situation here. So yeah, but anyway, good to have this Apple TV with me here. So I mean, look at that sky, guys. Just look at the sky. It's getting a little dark here. Look at that. Good thing we didn't get any severe thunderstorm warnings here. We're still under severe thunderstorm watch. Right now it's raining. Okay guys, so I gotta go ahead and start wrapping up this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below, have you guys enjoyed this Apple event? Just let me know in the comments down below what you're most excited for, like iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 Pro or iPad mini. I'm excited for getting an iPad mini and also iPhone 13, but I can't do it all at once here, so yeah, that's one about it, and we're actually leave town soon. So yeah, what I'm most excited for, just let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, it's all adventures right to be. And it's watching, peace, bye-bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the end slate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Kim 17's channel. Until next time, peace.